In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Smartsheet by color. If you're looking to organize your data visually and make it more manageable, this guide is just what you need. We'll break it down step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily, even if you're new to Smartsheet. First, you'll need to navigate to your Smartsheet dashboard and open the sheet that you want to apply your filter to. Having this specific sheet open is crucial because all your adjustments will revolve around it. Once you're in the right sheet, go ahead and click on the Insert Column button, which you'll find in the top ribbon of your dashboard. This step sets the foundation for your color coding strategy. Next, make a choice between two different column types, drop-down list or text/number. Selecting the right type depends on your preference for data, input simplicity, and accessibility. Once you've made your choice, it's time to give your new column a meaningful name. Something like color tag or status color works perfectly, as these names clearly convey the column's purpose to anyone viewing the sheet. With your column set up, move on to the crucial task of tagging your rows. This is where the magic of color coordination truly begins. Manually assign a value to each cell in the new column based on the color you've already used in your rows. For instance, if a row has a green highlight, type green in the corresponding cell under your new column. Continue this process for other colors you use, such as yellow or red. This not only helps in filtering, but also provides a quick visual reference for you and your team. After tagging your rows, it's time to put your filter into action. Click on the filter icon, which looks like a small funnel. This icon allows you to create specific conditions for the data you wish to view. Here you'll establish a new filter. Set the condition so that the color tag column equals the color you are interested in filtering by, like red for example. Finally, with everything set up just the way you want it, click Apply to activate your filter. This will instantly adjust your sheet's view, displaying only the rows tagged with the color you've chosen. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to filter your Smartsheet by color. By following these steps, you can visually manage your data with ease and boost your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other tips that can unlock more of Smartsheet's potential for you and your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.